Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today in my kitchen I am going to make Lachcha chicken pakoda. It is a Ramadan special dish. We used to make it especially during the month of Ramadan at the time of breaking the fast, that is at iftar time. For that I have taken 250 grams of chicken cut into small pieces. We have to cut the chicken into small pieces like this. First of all, we have to keep the oil for heating. Keep the flame in low. For making Lachcha chicken pakoda, we have to marinate 2 times. For chicken marination, we have to add 3 tablespoons of gram flour, half a teaspoon full of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon full of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon full of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon full of chopped green chilies I am adding to make this recipe, and 1 teaspoon full of coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon full of salt or as per your taste, half a teaspoon full of garam masala powder I am adding to make this recipe. Now add 1 lemon juice to it. Now we have to mix all of them well. We have to mix all of them well so that all the spices and the ingredients we have used coated well with the chicken pieces. See, they are coated well with the chicken pieces. We have to keep the chicken for 15 minutes for marination. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. Now for the second marination, I have taken half a kg of grated potatoes. See, our potatoes are grated into very long and thin pieces like this. We have to grate them. Now add the grated potatoes. Take the grated potato pieces into the mixing bowl. To this we have to add 1/4 tablespoon full of salt, 1 teaspoon full of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon full of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon full of black pepper, 1 teaspoon full of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, now to this we have to add 1 teaspoon full of chopped garlic. I have added the chopped garlic to this. To this we have to add 4 tablespoons of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Now we have to mix all of them into a homogeneous mixture so that all the ingredients coated well with the grated potato chunks. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon full of chopped green chilies. Now mix all of them well with the potato chunks. Now take some grated potato mixture on the palm like this and place 1 chicken piece on that, and take some potato mixture on the top of the chicken like this, and we have to make all the lachcha chicken pakodas like this, and after that I will fry them in the oil. I have made all the lachcha chicken pakodas. One should be cautious that we have to take some grated potato mixture on the palm and place it on the upper side of the palm, and place 1 piece of chicken on the grated potato mixture, and place some other potato mixture again on the upper side of the chicken, and press them gently. Don't press them hardly, so that all of them can bind together. Repeat the process and make all the pakodas like this. Now we have to check the oil whether it is heated or not. See, our oil is half heated. Now let it heat for some time. Now our oil is heated well. Some vapors are coming out of the oil. Now we have to drop the lachcha chicken pakodas into the pan one after the other like this. Make sure that we have to place the pakodas slowly, otherwise the oil may split and it may rise to the hands and face. Slowly we have to drop the lachcha chicken pakodas into the oil like this. Now we have to flip them slowly and fry them until they turns into a golden brown color. Occasionally we have to flip them and fry them until they gets into a golden brown color. Our lachcha pakodas are turned into a golden brown color. Now we have to transfer all of them. I have transferred the lachcha chicken pakodas into a filter. I have placed a filter paper in the filter so that the extra oil may be absorbed by the filter paper. Now we have to fry the second round of the lachcha chicken pakodas. Place them gently into the oil. We have to drop them gently into the oil like this. We have to follow the same process. We have to fry them until they get into a golden brown color. Now I have transferred all the lachcha chicken pakodas in a filter. Now transfer all the lachcha chicken pakodas into a serving plate. See, our lachcha chicken pakodas are crispy and crunchy from outside and smooth and tender from inside. See, our chicken is also very well cooked. Now garnish them with some coriander leaves. And eat them with mint chutney and tomato sauce. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.